Hotep, I am the Amen Osiris, the one and only undisputed God of law. We are Deception Stoppers, America's only 4D education service, the 4D Destroyer. I am not a lawyer. This is not a law firm. We do not advocate that you don't support your human offspring. We simply advocate that you made them in private and you take care of them in private. And today, what I want to talk to you about is a neutral and detached judge. Now, this is a case law from a warrant, but the reason I'm bringing this information to you, when it comes time, if you have sent a notice of demand, all right, to the O.C.S.C. and the one that's operating in the state, if you sent a notice of demand to the Social Security Administration, when it comes time, when they fail to respond, all right, you give them 20 days or however many days. We usually give them 20. All right. On the 21st day, what you want to be doing is filing a motion for judgment against whoever it is that you are attacking, which is going to be the Social Security Administration, the federal OCSC, and the 4D crime family that's operating in the state. Now, when you file that motion, all right, and after you pay the filing fee, you get your subpoenas, you mail the subpoenas out by certified mail. What you want to do is put together an affidavit, okay, stating that you want a neutral and detached judge. All right. If you go and file an action in a court, all right, and if that judge is under a 4D contract, all right, you're not going to get anywhere. So you have to make sure that that judge, whoever's going to be presiding over the case that you initiated, is a neutral and detached judge and has no 4D contract. Okay, that's very, very important. You do not want to go into a hearing that you petition for, that you motion for, and have a 4D contractor presiding over that hearing. You're going to lose. All right. So you have to let it be known up front that you want a neutral and detached judge who is not under a 45 CFR 302.34 contract, who is not under the 45 CFR 303.107C terms of the 4D contract. All right, because he or she, they can't help you. Under that contract, they will not be able to help you. Okay, so you want to make sure that that judge, when you file your motion, when you file your demands, and you get your court date, you want to make sure that that judge is a detached and neutral judge. Okay, and if by chance you're going to be going to a 4D hearing, you also have the right to demand the same. Okay, in other words, these contractors, they cannot pursue 4D issues unless they are under that contract. Okay, there always has to be a contract. So if you can, what you want is a detached and neutral judge or magistrate that is not under that contract, all right, so that you can effectuate your will, okay, get your refund and get the case terminated and require the SSA to pay the lien that's levied on their debt. Okay, so just wanted to give you that fair warning. All right, a detached, neutral judge is what you want. All right, especially when it comes time for you to file your petition. All right, for the judge to rule in your favor against the respondents. I'm the Amen Osiris. If you need help, you can bang my email at 4D_destroyer. Oops. At yahoo.com. All right. We look forward to hearing from you. All right. Incidentally, gentlemen and ladies, I get flooded with a lot of emails. All right. So I'm still returning emails from like 3 days ago. We clear them out, and then the next day there's like 500-600 sitting in there. All right. So please be patient. If you email us, we will email you back. All right, just need a little patience because not to mention, besides trying to do emails, we also got work to do. All right, so it gets a little monotonous over here sometimes. So just be a little patient with us. If you have not received your email back yet, it will be coming. I'll give you my word. All right, so keep that in mind. Detached neutral judge. You need help? Bang my email 4D_destroyer at yahoo.com. And gentlemen, and ladies, you want to start asking more questions. If by chance you find yourself in a 4D hearing, just simply ask, sir, are you a judge? Or are you a 45 C.F.R. 75.2 contractor? All right. And what you want to do, all right, that's going to piss them off. All right. But because they are, just tell them, well, I want to detach the neutral judge. What do you mean detached to neutral judge? Well, you're under a 4D contract, so you're already biased towards me. All right, you're performing contractual obligations. I want someone who's going to be performing their constitutional duties. Okay. All right. So you have your assignment. Look up detached and neutral judge and start demanding that you want a detached and neutral judge. And more importantly, okay, when it comes time for you to file your affidavits, all right, for the contracts, for the liability, and for your zip code exemption, which removes you from federal jurisdiction, on the 21st day, when you file your motion in the court to terminate that case, make sure you also put in that you want a detached and neutral judge. Hotep.